and gentlemen, we are here and definitely we are very happy and feel proud seeing you all here. On my left hand side, Ms. Elizabeth Clark, she is the managing director of this Windermere Hotel. On my right hand side, Mr. Amit Gupta is the general manager, and myself is the Joyjit Chaudhary. I am practically by profession, I am an advocate in practicing advocate in Calcutta High Court. And also perhaps you know me that also we run the law institution in Siliguri now in Kujbihar, the Indian Institute of Legal Studies, the other institution. So just to interact with you all, and we want to make you all people preferred destination the Windermere Hotel. So we want that you please keep on coming, interact with us, and a lot of activities we are contemplating, we are trying to do. And you all know the most affected sector is this tourism sector, hospitality sector, the hotel sector because of this COVID and this pandemic situation. And all these hospitality sector, they are practically fighting, and we are also struggling. We cannot be isolated. So in this scenario, also if the COVID situation is little bit of now in favoring to the society, and people started coming, Darjeeling is a preferred destination across the country, and even the world's preferred destination is a Darjeeling, the Queen of Hill, and Windermere Hotel is also most, what to say, they love this place to stay. And the reason of meeting with you all people that today also there is also Bollywood and outdoor shooting, indoor shooting, and some last month for 43 days, the Huma Qureshi, the film actress, the Bollywood from Bollywood and
yes, Bollywood as well as Tollywood, and we are from all the we welcome all the film industries.
They have chosen this Windermere Hotel for these outdoor and indoor activities. This is number one, and number two, the famous wine company, basically they are from Indian company. They are launching this today, the wine tasting event. That after this small interaction, we will go there. Particularly there will be a fun, and thereafter a little bit of light music and all, and thereafter we'll have a dinner and all. This is to be with ghazal exactly. And also the most important part is that the parliamentary committee consisting of 14 MPs, the honorable MPs, they have decided to come to Darjeeling and Kalimpong for the augmentation of the Hindi language. So they are also going to stay with us 2 days on 20th of this September and 21st, 2 days. And also they will be having a press conference with you in Darjeeling, how the Hindi languages has taken a momentum. So, and also other languages can be clubbing together for the augmentation of the such languages. That this is the reason the parliamentary committee has decided to come to Darjeeling and Kalimpong. And also they also have chosen this, our hotel is the most preferred destination. And we are also fighting, and this is our request to you all. People must know, because still people are a little bit of scared and afraid of this pandemic situation, hesitating visiting Darjeeling or not, what are the effects or not, and also how we are functioning. And because it is the most heritage colonial atmosphere we still maintaining, that we would like to maintain. So this is the thing, little bit of spreading this news amongst the people, so that people will be more happy to come and to visit this Darjeeling and our hotel. And also please, and we understand that a lot of predicaments we were having, but all these things now it has been lifted. All the very staff members, they are fighting, they are working for the for the augmentation of the hotel. They are 11 hours, 12 hours they are working, so that the hotel should see the bright light in coming days. This is the reason only we are just here with you all.
लीडरशिप क्या से लीडरशिप कौन है इसमें?
लीडरशिप इसमें लीडरशिप इन
ये पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी आ रहा है,
yes yes
इसमें उनका लीडरशिप कौन है, चेयरपर्सन कौन होगी?
chairperson actually I don't know the exactly the who is the chairperson of this that parliamentary committee. Will be able to let you know in due course of time, but actually also this responsibility given by the MHA, and also the three wings are involved here. One is the BSF, Army and the HMI, and BSF and SSB.
Four wings. I
Four
think
wings,
that's-
But for Darjeeling, 3 wings. Kalimpong BSF is added.
Right.
For here in Darjeeling, for 3 wings, they have to see the logistic. They have to arrange all their logistic arrangement, their transportations, and their visiting the places and all. These are the 3 wings are responsible for that.
21st and
20 and 21st. 20th September they are reaching here from Bagdogra airport. Straight away they will come here, and 20th will be staying. 21st they will be staying. 22nd morning they will leave from here. They will go to Kalimpong. From 22 and 23rd I think they will be staying in Kalimpong. Then they will return. This is their schedule as of now. But we will officially from the government of India will receive the official their plan of visit and all. The minutes to minutes program also yet to receive. देखिए ऐसे है कि now it is very we must be true enough that the Windermere Hotel practically was preferred destination for the foreigners. Due to this COVID pandemic situation, now it is impossible. But within the India, we could not promote it in that manner. It is required to ought to have been promoted. That we haven't done it. I am very candid in this regard. But still, now for the survival, we have to survive. Now we have taken a lot of initiative. Initiative means, the people visiting. Suppose now this parliamentary committee. Suppose now the Hollywood people, the Bollywood people. It will spread amongst the people that people started living with us. So this is one way. And you see the making advertisement. Suppose now the hoarding and displaying the things in Darjeeling, people know what is Windermere. That is because people after coming to Darjeeling, it is useless to see the hoarding. So in some social media, social platform, we have started little bit of promotion. What is the heritage? What is the colonial behavior? What we are actually? That we have started such promotion in the social media platform. And also slowly we have identified few places, means within across the country. Suppose now Maharashtra, this Punjab, this Haryana, then Uttarakhand. These area we are also contemplating negotiating with the government, the local state government, for such collaborative measures for such augmentation of the promotion of the tourism. So as of now, actually, and also lot of activities are required to be done. If we ask the people, come, people will not come. There are some activities are required to be done. What is Darjeeling? People know. What we are doing, that is also required to be exhibited. That is more important part. And we have to formulate so many things. Suppose now, when some events are being organized by the district administration, state administration, or the other police administration, we must associate with them. So then what will happen? No, some charity, some work, some things we can undertake. So these are the things is required to be done. What we feel. Suppose now in the society we must be, as you know, always being the chairman of my educational institution. Always I stay with the people. I stay with the guardians. So now who are the prospective guests? So we must reach to them. Not only that saying come, we are good. No. When they will come, we must render our best. And the hospitality sector based on the hospitality. If we can render the good atmosphere, behavior, arrangement, when they will feel that it is a home, then definitely whatever the embargo was there, it would be lifted. It is my still conviction in this regard.
And we're not closed. You're not closed. We've never been closed. it was put out in the papers. Oh, isn't it terrible? Windermere's closed. Ladies and gentlemen, we have never been closed. So I'm not at all sure where that bit came from.
No, people know it is sometimes.
Now we
you know,
know.
Sometimes it may be.
Absolutely.
So
It's just a mistake.
yes.
Mm.
Anything, please? Anything?
Yeah, you spoke about to promote tourism and to
Yes,
to bring back to tourists at Darjeeling.
Yes.
So what are the plans like from the Windermere? What are the plans? Do you have any plans like?
No,
in
that I said we have to make such plan so that we can, because a comprehensive plan is required. Just now after the COVID, we are now in a little bit of normal life. Now we must come to a comprehensive plan. By December, January, we will come up with this comprehensive plan so that the tourists and and also protecting the environment. So these are also the side by side one of the factors is required to be protected. So these are the plans it is required to be adopted. We haven't. We are very true. We haven't. That's why with you all, you will give the suggestion because you are here from you have better than anybody else what the Darjeeling requires. So please, we are also expecting that some proposal will come from your end. So that's why this is the interaction. Because we do not interact with the people, so that's why we want the civil administration, we want the other administration, and you are the one of the most important pillar. In one way you will guide us, in other way you will disseminate to the people. That is the main important part. So please, we also expect that some proposal if we receive, and we will explore and definitely we will try to execute in a very comprehensive manner.
But we've tried to adjust now. We're at the beginning of that
Yes.
adjustment.
Yes.
Try to adjust
After the
now.
COVID, yes, definitely.